umaga guys! Today is our last day dito sa bahay. Last packing day also. Oh, Ryan na!
Moving on.
Moving on, moving on. Yung aming mga curtains na remove na ni Daddy Ram guys. There also, Daddy?
Yeah,
everything?
everything.
Ang gulo-gulo ng aming bahay. Ang kusina, yun yung main na ipapack today. Ayan, ito. Wala masyadong gamit. Then, ito na ang isusort out kasi ang kalat pa. Pero wala nang mga kortina. Since wala na kaming matutulugan guys for 2 nights, nag-book kami ng room doon sa clubhouse ng community ng kaibigan ko. So, doon muna kami bago ang flight natin pauwi ng Pilipinas. So, ang check-in around 12 o'clock guys. So, ito yung mga maleta namin. Dadalhin namin doon sa room para hindi na siya mahalo sa ibang mga gamit pa. Your turn na. Don't be shy.
Shy na na. What? Okay. From here, center. Go. From this side.
Ito yung mga kortina namin guys, mga blankets na iuwi sa probinsya para magamit naman nila mother-in-law, diba? Kahapon kami nag-impake talaga ng mga damit ni Ram guys. It was so difficult, right Daddy? To just make one suitcase this much kg, this much kg. Additional pa kami ng mga luggage.
Always think like, you know,
not much. Okay. Seriously.
But come to that point or
ang dami pala. Especially me, I thought, oh, I don't have much clothes. I don't need that much. Then nang nag-impake na, wala na. Ang dami. Just, at least it's done. Final weighing doon sa apartment nila Mark kasi meron silang weighing scale. So at least ma-check namin talaga, finalize yung weight. Then sigurado na tayong hindi tayo ma-excess luggage. Legit, ang daming maleta. Okay? Bye Daddy, see you later.
It's like he's going back and totally like that. See you there.
So yung community nila Mark guys, it's like 15 minutes away from here lang naman. But the problem is may work si Mark, so hindi niya ako matutulungan sa paghakot ng mga gamit na punta sa room namin. Pero okay lang, kaya natin yan. Eh mostly mga lang naman, diba? Luggage. So madali lang siyang iakyat. Let's go, Ryan! Excited? Ito si Ryan talaga. Super excited. Okay. 15 minutes.
Exactly 15 minutes.
Exactly.
We are here, guys.
Going to the clubhouse now. It's 12:21. What do you want for lunch, Nana?
Your choice.
My choice.
Yep.
Let's go to Sarat Mall later.
Okay.
Ito yung clubhouse nila, guys. Buti pa sila may rooms. Yung community namin kasi walang rooms na ganito. Oh, may ano pa, grocery shop. It's okay. Just bring those to the inside. That's the last. Okay, press. Let's go up. Our room for 2 nights, guys. Ito yung ating mga luggage. You like it? Gusto niya. Let's rest for a while, then we'll have lunch. Okay? May TV pa. May paganyan sila. How's the washroom?
Mommy's saying like it's not like a hotel. It's not like a hotel, but it's actually like a hotel.
Daddy said?
For you and my daddy.
No, I did not say. Okay na. Nice!
Even on the balcony.
I don't know how to open. What's our view? Construction.
Like all the parts of it.
Yeah.
Home for today.
What snack you have here, Ryan? Oh, meron pa akong Goldilocks Pulveron. Ay, nagugutom na ako. I'm hungry, Ryan. Shall we go? Uy, Ryan. Shall we go to Sarat Mall?
After a few minutes.
I'm hungry. I'll go now. I'll leave you here. Kasi, yung Sarat Mall is sobrang lapit lang dito. Pwede kang malakad. Punta kami doon para mag-lunch. And then, kukunin ko yung sunglasses ko, guys. Diba? Bago itong eyeglasses ko. Kasabay kong binili yung sunglasses. Naging available siya today. Ito yung nauna. So, kunin natin. And then, mag-lunch tayo doon. Hindi ako nakapag-breakfast eh. Sobrang stressful. Pero, masaya, of course. Si Daddy Ram sabi niya, mag-chill ka lang doon. Pahinga, kain. Later, pag tapos na kaming mag-impake, sunduin mo na ako. So, pagtapos na sila doon, sunduin natin si Daddy Ram. Para makapagpahinga na din siya.
This is so good.
Yeah, that's why I brought a lot for you. I know you will always ask, Mommy, Mommy, snacks! May chocolate pa ako dito. Nilagay sa bag niya. Ito, Super Delight. Galing Pinas pa to. Bigay ni Cherry. Ito yung corridor nila. Ganda din. Come on. B1. Dito po pinark yung sasakyan namin. Napakalapit sa elevator. Oh, diba? Para madali lang.
Whoa, just inside it.
Yeah. No, I don't want that liquid one.
It's a free.
No. We're traveling, so I cannot carry it. I need to throw.
Okay.
Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Dito kami kakain, guys, sa Cafe Ritaza. Paboritong restaurant na naman ni Ryan. Oh, ando na siya. Oh. Nakaupo na. Nauna na sa akin, guys. Sabi ni Ryan, meron daw silang Vietnamese iced coffee. Paborito ko daw. Galing-galing talaga. Ano, you're so observant. Thank you so much.
Your favorite. Vietnamese.
What do you want? Pasta again?
Of course, I want hot.
Pag-order na ako, guys. Let's check yung aking sunglasses. Ryan, look at this. Ayan siya. Thank you. Oh. Sinaulit nila ito. Yung original talaga. Just in case. Pero gustong gusto ko to. Maganda, di ba? Okay. Sit properly.
Nom nom time.
Basta na naman. Ang cute. I'll wait for my pizza. Daddy went out with his friends, Shiva Uncle na for lunch. Kasi hindi niya nakasama yung mga kaibigan niya for a few days. So gusto niyang magbanding-banding muna sila bago kami umuwi ng Pilipinas. Which one is your favorite pasta, Nana? This is good actually, right? Legit, right? Most of the pasta you like? Sarap. I ordered pepperoni pizza. You like it, right?
So good.
Huh?
So good.
So good. Ito na pala ang ating pizza, guys. Kanina pa dumating, nakakain na kami ni Ryan actually. Kausap ko yung sister-in-law ko, kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Is it good, Nana? You like it? Do you want one more? Or full?
Full.
Full?
Yeah.
Then
I
your
don't know
mom.
how we're gonna finish all this.
It's okay, we can bring there to the room. Daddy can eat later, no problem.
Guys, almost done. These boxes need to send to province. Other than that, it's done. It's empty.
Back to our room, guys. Nana, use your headset. I want to sleep for a while. Do you want to sleep? Okay, then use the headset. Sayaw na daw siya. Sobrang happy. Huh? You just need to on. It's gonna connect immediately. Ito yung na-take away namin na pizza, guys. Buti na lang at may natira kasi sila yan. Gugutomin na naman yan mamaya. Tingnan nyo. Narinig lang niya ako, guys, about pizza. Di ba? Kain na agad. Very good, Ryan. Buyag-buyag ba niya mong baby Ryan, oy? Kusog mo kayo kaon, oy? Ryan, kusog ka mong kaon, Ryan?
Yes.
Busog-busog? I said kusog ka mong kaon, not busog-busog. You're not busog because you're still eating.
What busog mean?
Busog, I'm full. Full. It's on now.
Are you busog?
Yes, I'm busog. That's why I'm gonna sleep because I'm busog.
Good night, mommy.
Wake me up when daddy call my phone.
Okay.
It's not on silent, so you will hear it, okay?
Okay.
We need to pick up daddy. I don't have enough sleep last night. That's why I just wanna have a nap.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Don't do funny things.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too.
Welcome. How is it?
It's good.
Tired? You look so tired, Daddy.
Very tired.
Did you
Sorry,
eat
guys.
already?
Huh?
Did you eat?
No, I did not.
Did I thought you
Oh, lunch?
went out with Shiva.
Lunch.
Okay. Take rest for a while. A bit messy already because I'm trying to again check the weight.
You done already? You set it up?
Almost there.
Hello guys, I am vlogging. Mommy didn't tell me to vlog, but I'm vlogging. I got some food, a weighing scale, Huntington, and we're heading towards the block. This is from Tito Mark. We're now entering the building. We're in the lift, second floor. And we are almost there.
Hello.
I took video.
You took video of Tito Mark? No, you're shy. Thank you, Mark, sa pagkain. Ano-ano ang mga ulam na pinadala ni Mark? My God, alagang-alaga tayo. Si Daddy Ram naliligo. Sabi niya, doon tayo kina Mark para makahingi ka ng ulam. Nakakahiya. This is the weighing scale. Let's wait for Daddy.
Huh? How is the weighing scale?
It's a weighing scale. Oh my God, may pansit. Ay, Diyos ko. Si Daddy Ram, aalis siya. Hala. May sinigang pa, guys. And then rice. Yan na. You're eating this, right? May pa-rice pa. Kaya may kutsara atin ito.
Let's check the weight.
Sentence. Mark, ay nako. Thank you, Mark, sa pag-aalaga sa amin, Mark. Hindi namin ito makakalimutan na nagdrama.
Wow, what's this smell?
This is the sinigang. Yung naamoy mo, sinigang. I like to try, okay?
Okay.
And the pansit. Sarap. You can say if you don't like it or you like it. No forcing. We'll get something for you if you don't like it.
Oh, what's squishy?
Squishy? Not approved? Pansit. How about pansit?
I don't know what's the mid. See, for me it's mid.
You're not used to it, that's why. But if you get used to it, oh, you will love it. This one you like, right? Again? Confused? You need to tell me or else I need to order food for you. But if this is okay, then no need, right? That's carrot. Eat the carrot.
What are you gonna order then?
Aye, that's not an option if you like it.
It's difficult.
I like the chicken, but I don't like the noodles.
Okay. I'll make sure that you said. Good thing Mark have that one that at least you're sure of the weight.
How much, eh?
13.94.
1 kg can add.
That's good. Next. Leave it there, it's okay. I remove some things, that's why. Ayan. You know what he's doing. 15 point.
Huh?
Sarap guys, sinigang. Si Rian, nag-change na ang kanyang mind. Sabi niya, I like the pancit now. With the noodles, not only the chicken. Then you will eat outside, right?
Yeah.
Alis si Daddy Ram. Okay, pagkita sa kanyang friendships. Okay na ako. Pwede na ako matulog. Busog na ulit. See you later. Have fun.
What?
Freezing cold?
Yes.
Let's sleep then.
Okay.
Okay? Say bye to guys na. Good night.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. Peace.
See you in the Philippines.
See you in the Philippines.
Soon.
In question mark days.